Alright guys, in this video just going to go through the inline content feature on the slider, and basically it's rather simple. Think of the slider as a block, alright, and that block has to be filled. So as a default, the block is 980 pixels wide by 400 pixels tall. So when using inline content, it's different from using images, because images sort of like fills that block, and when we have the slider, when we have inline content, it's sort of like a little bit hard to sort of fill that content with text or whatever it is that you guys putting. So if here on help we have a few shortcodes that help us on sort of fill that box. So the first thing I'm going to do, like I did on the live preview, is this bg_box shortcode. Now what this shortcode does is it sort of creates this box and this container, and it sort of puts the background image there. So I'm going to use the same image that I uploaded as my featured image. Just remove that. I'm going to go back to my media and gallery. I'm just going to copy and paste that image URL. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to create that BG box. So BG box width equals 980 pixels and height equals 400 pixels. And our background will be that image, which is this. Now, whatever I put in here will I'm just going to put some dummy text on hello world, and make sure you, in each one is actually, just so it's nice and big, and make sure you enable inline content. Let's get rid of this and update. I'm just going to quickly show you more or less what it's done. So you see our background box pretty much just sort of created that little box here, and it gives us like this box with a background image. We can just put whatever we want in there. So right now we have this hello world, which is our h1 tag. We're going to position that better. So if I show you how the code works, most of you won't be really interested in it, but I'll show you anyway. So here we have our BG box, which is basically that little big box with the background there, and then we have our h1 in it. So it sort of like lets you create the background first. And once we have that, I'm just going to get rid of this h1 tag and put in a button. Now, finally, we're going to use our shortcode generator. So I'm just going to go buttons and normal button, and I'm just going to put hashtag and text. Color default, let's set that to, I don't know, red. No stuff needs anymore. So if I just include this here and insert shortcode, you see that the shortcode will be put in there, and if I update, you see that our button is there. But the problem is, how can we position that button right here at the bottom like we have in the live review? Well, fear no more. Oh my god, I can't believe I said that. We have this POS_ABS shortcode to help us. So I'm just going to copy and paste that. Basically what this does is it sort of positions your element, whatever's in there, anywhere within that top container. So we have this position absolute. So we're just going to put this just before shortcode and sort of close that shortcode. So here we have our top. So basically this top and left, it's how far away it'll be from the top left corner. So here, if we put 0, 0, it's going to show like exactly at the very top left corner. So if we want to position this right here, one way that I find really easy just to see this, 120 by 272. So I'm going to put my left as 120 and my right as a 270. So we're just going to update. And we go back here, and you see that it's now positioned exactly 120 pixels from the very left of the slide, and then 270 pixels from the very top. So that shortcode really lets you sort of position anything, and we can just pretty much actually anyway put anything in there really. I could put let's see something here, maybe a notification box, or let's just put a sorry guys, I was just seeing what I would put in there. Let me just put a header, a fancy header, and H2 sol. Let's put a and let's just get rid of that. Make sure the cursor is right there. Insert shortcode, and if we update, you'll see that it's still there. And it's a text, and it's absolutely positioned, so you can pretty much place that anywhere. So that really helps you doing your inline content. You can always put just HTML in there if you want. It's a bit more advanced, so I would recommend that you guys sort of do that in Dreamweaver or Encoder, wherever coding platform that it is that you guys use, and sort of just spacing here instead of doing right there. But these two shortcodes really help you, and that's how live preview is done. You can always import your dummy content, see exactly how our slides were done, and that's pretty much it for this video. Make sure you guys make really good use of it. You can always come back to help and get those little two shortcodes straight from here. And thank you for watching, guys. Also, I got rid of the background music. It was annoying me. So in the next videos, we're going to start messing around with the menus and make sure our homepage looks a little better than it's looking right now. Thanks for watching, guys. See you later.